Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa from Crafting to Cope, and I'm on today with a haul. So Panda Hall actually reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a collaboration with them. And so they offered to allow me to pick out some items that I could review. So I'm going to do an unboxing and share the items with you right now. And then in return, they also gave me a discount code, so I will share that with you in the comments below. If you're interested in ordering from them, you can use that discount code to get a percentage off your order, and it comes at no extra cost to you. So I actually have never ordered from them before. I have seen plenty of other crafty friends online order from them, and I've always loved what I saw, but I have yet to order from them. So I'm super excited to see what's in here. And when I was going through the website, they have a little bit of everything. They have a lot of beads and project kits and those types of things. So I was really excited to check them out. So we're going to just open this package up and see what's in here. Just get that out of the way. And they packaged it very nicely. It did take, maybe like a week and a half to get here. So not super slow shipping, but obviously I wasn't in any hurry. There's not anything I needed immediately for a project or anything. So I apologize for the noise. So I have my receipt here, so I can kind of go through that with you, but let's just kind of go through one at a time what I ordered. I got tape stuck on me. So I ordered this package of flatbacks of little gingerbread men. And so I wanted to get these, obviously for some Christmas projects, but I also really wanted to put them in those candy wrapper charms, which I made. I want to make some Christmas candy wrapper charms to share with people. So they are, I think they're all the same, but they are adorable little gingerbread men. So a whole bag of them. I can make so many little candy wrappers and then obviously share these with my friends, but I just love the little gingerbread men, so I'm super excited for those. And I'm not sure if the prices are here on this. Let me look. Packing slip. Doesn't look like they are. I'll try to link these items below with the prices so you can see how much they were. So I have this big package of these gingerbread men, so I'm super excited about that. And then I did also get just a few other things for candy wrapper charms, just because I wanted to make some to add to my dangles, and then I was thinking of adding some to my craft bear. So I got this bag of these tiny little donuts. And I don't have a lot of flatbacks, so like even when I made my video, I didn't have a lot of options for things to add into the little candy wrapper charms. So I was focusing a little bit on some of that when I placed this order. And so they're these adorable little pastel donuts. And I don't know if you can see that, but they have icing and little sprinkles on them. So those are going to be super cute to add into the little wrapper charms, because I also have some donut washi tape. So I'm excited for those. And then, I can use these in other projects too, the same with these, because they are flatbacks. So that's so cute. And they're all packaged so nicely and individually. So they do a great job with packaging. And again, kind of keeping with that theme, I did get this pack of sweet treats, which again, it's more little flatbacks. And this one is a huge variety. So let's just see what we have in here. So there's a cute little lollipop. Oh, hello. Losing the dessert. A cute little lollipop. An adorable little cupcake. There's an egg in here. Little piece of rainbow cake, little candies, little chocolates. There's another little egg. Those actually might be fun to add to some little chicken projects. Little white chocolate bars, a little popsicle, another little donut, tiny little cupcake, little flatback cupcake. I mean, it's all different. There's like There's some repeats in here, but they're adorable. So just little candies and sweet treats. Again, perfect for those candy wrapper charms. And if you didn't see that video, I will link it below. But I just made these cute little candy wrap. I don't have one by me to show you, but that's what I got those for. And then I also got a selection of Halloween flatbacks. So I got 2 packs of these because I just love these, and I think I can use these for a lot of different projects. So again, they're flatbacks, so I can use these in candy wrapper charms also on my projects. And then if I do like an embellishment box swap, I can share them with my friends. And then you can put a little bail on the back of these, and you can buy the bails at Hobby Lobby, so any of the flatbacks, and you can turn them into charms and add them to your like chunky charms or your dangles. So I got those pumpkins, and I really don't have like 2 of those. I really don't have any Halloween flatbacks, so I was really excited. And then these pumpkins, which are a little different. These ones look a little bit like kind of like a gourd, but I just thought they were so cute and different shaped. So I got a pack of those, same purpose. And then these little black ghosties, which are so cute. Let's see if I get it open. These little tiny black ghosties. They're so cute. And I think for some of these, I might take like a paint pen and just draw a little bow tie on some of them to add a little color. You could totally do that with a paint pen. So there's that. And then I did get 2 packs of these because again, the next thing, I don't have a lot of, I love Halloween, and but I don't have a lot of different Halloween things. So like obviously flatbacks. And here I bought pen kit, a Beadable pen making kit. I bought 2 of these actually. And so the kit comes with Halloween colored pens. So we have orange, silver, and purple pens, which is great. And so these, let's take one out. Let's see. They have a little bit of glitter on them. I don't know if you can see that. But then they're all ready for me to put beads on. And then it also came with purple and orange silicone beads. And then these focal beads. So let's go through what those are. So there's this cute baddie, a little ghost. There's a few of these pumpkins, or jack-o'-lantern actually, and then an orange pumpkin, kind of like a burnt orange brownish pumpkin, and then a little skull bead, and then there's 2 of each of those. So you can add other beads to it or just put these right on the pen. So I did get 2 of these kits. I'll open the other one to make sure that they're exactly the same. But I wanted to make some beadable items for my, like if I join a Halloween swap or if I want to send some Halloween Happy Mail. And then it also comes with some of these gold spacer beads. And then a package of, it's almost like a grayish white, purple, and orange tassels to add to the end. And then jump rings to add those tassels to the end. So really, you get everything you need to make these pens. And so I'll probably do a video on the beadable pens. I'm going to open this one just to make sure that I really did order 2 of the same, which I'm pretty sure I did, but I can't remember. So I don't know. If you've never ordered from them, I'll link everything below and you can go check out their website. Obviously, they do a great job packaging your items, and they came, you know, pretty quickly, week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, but I think that's pretty reasonable in this day and age. Yep, these are exactly the same, which I totally ordered too, on purpose. So now I have all these great beads and things to make these beadable pens to, you know, send to my friends. And then all of these items for my candy wrapper charms, which I'm going to make some Halloween themed ones and some Christmas themed ones, and I'll totally share those with you as well. I will probably add some beads from my own collection, bead collection into these, just to kind of make them a little different so they have some variety, and I'll definitely share that with you. But again, go check out Panda Hall. Obviously, they did a great job packaging. I'm super impressed. The quality looks really good. These are all very cute. Sometimes when you order flatbacks, you get flatbacks with like weird paint jobs on them, and these are all just really cute and, I mean, painted very nicely. So I'm very impressed. So please go check out Panda Hall, see the information below, and see if there's anything there that you would like to craft with. Thanks for stopping by, and stay tuned to see my projects with these items. Have a great day. Bye.